Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, the first, September the 1st, 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And not so good news today, because today we have no additional. Let me show you in the newspaper. So no extra puzzles. That means I have left 3 puzzles in the yesterday edition, the Wednesday edition. Look, no news, no additional. I believe there are 3 puzzles, the ladder Sudoku, and I've collected, I believe, more than 120 ladder Sudokus. And I've let me take the yesterday's newspaper. This is the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, August the 31st. So the ladder Sudoku will do the 2 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. And I've collected more than 120 ladder Sudokus so far. Alright, medium Sudoku. Wow. Come on, tripod. Tripod is not working with me. Position the camera. Alright. Zoom in. This will be number 5106. 5016. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes, that's my time limit. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers that you need more time to solve. But for this one, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. Which number can I pick? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this row. So no 9 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here a 4 in the middle column. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here 6 in that column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in this box. These 2 boxes. We have a 1 and 8 in the middle column, so no 1 and 8 in that box. So the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. That means we have one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. One box left in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the first row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So one digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here, 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then, which number shall I pick? Let me see. How about 6 in this row. First row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. Alright, cannot continue with the 6 now. Then, Well. How about 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there in this column, here or there. We see another 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. And now, cannot continue with the 7. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here 5 in this row, so no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then let me see. 493. 2, 1, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and look. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should we 2 missing numbers now? The 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. Alright. How about the number. Two and a 6, 2 and a 6. Come on. Let me think. The difficult part. 1, 1. 6, 6. Come on. We have a 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle row. So no 3 in this box. The 3 is supposed to be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 5. Now we have a 3 here in the second row. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then 2 missing. Oh, no. No, need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. The 9 in this row. The 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. How about this box in this row? 1 missing number in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 7. Now we have a 2 there in the middle row. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row, middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. How about one number left in the third row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 now in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 2s are used. I can see, yes. After 4 numbers completed, then I'm sure that I will solve the puzzle. Yes. Alright. 1 number left in the last row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes for a 2-star Sudoku. Yeah, 2 stars. Well, it's actually a medium Sudoku, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, we don't have an additional today, but we still have puzzles left. Many puzzles. Well, until then, bye bye for now.